level and inline elements. These are elements actually. Okay, here the block level means a block level element in HTML starts on a new line. And structure the full width of its content. Okay. By default, it creates a block of content. So, for example, these tags will be indicated. This block level tags will be the div. If it is nothing but a container, already you know. Next, p tag means what? The p tag will be the paragraph tag, right? So we have the h1 to h6, h1 to h6 all are heading tags, right? And here session tag will represent the particular section, and here it will be the article. So it will also represent some types of articles and small tags and sums and all the things. And here header tag will be the top one, and here the footer tag will be the bottom one, and here URL tag that will be the unordered list, and li the list of items will be printed over there. And form tag, already you know, here the form tag we need the label one, and input, and we don't have the ending tag for input. And table also we need to indicate the tr and td and th, that will be the table head, table row, table data. That will be the syntax here. So here the block level tag will be indicating like this. Okay, so these all are tags comes under block elements. Okay, and after what we left over with the inline tag. Okay, inline element. Okay, here inline element means it starts on a new line, right? It doesn't starts on a new line. Okay, so and line line element does not start on a new line, and only takes up as much width as necessary. Okay, necessary. It remains with in the flow. Okay, within the flow surrounding. Here we will start with the span tag and anchor tag and image tag here, and after that b tag, I tag, and strong tag, and em tag, and input tag, and label tag. Okay. So all of this comes under the inline block elements. So here we will start with the example, this one. Just I'm normally taking the small uh, normal thing, and guys, you need to say how to apply this all the tags, okay? So go to your Visual Studio Code as well, open your code and open this HTML, and here you can open CMD and here code paste dot enter. So take a new file and name it as block, and the specific character will be accepted as a file name, and here inline .html. Okay, so this is a bytecode, enter, and after you can name it as outside of the HTML, sorry, external HTML, this will be called it as. So here block and inline. Okay, block and inline, you can name it as here. After that you need to take how to apply the body as well. This will be the block level. I'm writing here using div tag and p tag. Already you know what it will be indicated as, right? So block level you don't know. We will see block elements. So you can name it. You can comment it, that is a single line comment. And in HTML we have the three types of comments. That will be the single line comment, multi-line comment, and inline comment, right? So here you can use the div tag. I'm using the class. Already you know what is the class. We will using this class name. We need to write the CSS, or else we need to take in a JavaScript as a name. Okay, so here this is the block level element. Okay, block level element. Here if okay, after that p tag will be the class. Here block, I'm taking class name C. So why? Because it wants to be indicate two as a classes. So here this is another block. Okay, block level element as what is this element paragraph, right? So here the paragraph. Okay. So how many tags we have? Here we have completed the p tag and this one. So we have what the next over left with the h1 tag. So here h1 heading 1, right? So what is it will represent h1 Sandhya?
Higher level.
Heading heading 3. This is h4 heading 4. This is the h5. This is heading 5, and this is h6. And how many tags we have? We have the
H1 to H6.
yes, and heading 6. Okay, so this is the block level tag, and what we are left over with, and we left over with the session tag. What is a session tag actually? Do you have any idea, guys? Anyone? Anyone? The session tag, I think you don't know guys. The session tag, it helps structure, okay, a web page by dividing content, okay, to meaning. Already what the content you're writing on the session that will be indicated as into a meaningful. Okay, here heading tag will be represented as a sizes, and here the p tag will be represented as a paragraph, and here the div is nothing but a one container, so it will divide into the using the part, it will one container, it will dividing into a subpart, right? This is one container as well, and we need to divide this into a sub one, like a part one, part two, like that, using the bootstrap classes as, okay. So part two, like that, you in the bootstrap classes we will use call and empty and all the things we need to divide as the subparts, one taking as a big container. Okay, so we will see session. So here directly you can take session tag. So here I'm taking h2. This is what the second highest tag, right? I'm taking a normally about here, about. After that I'm going to take UL already we know what is it. UL means that is unordered list, right? So here I'm taking li. So here I'm taking web development, and next I'm going to take li, that will be UI UX, user interface and user experience, okay. Okay, so like this the session tag has to be printed. So in generally the session tag has to be taken into uh, header tag, session tag and footer, that will, okay. So execute this one, open in default browser. So see how it will be, the session tag has to be printed here, right? So what is your leftover with? You left over with already this tags completed. So this is completed, and header tag also is the top one, and footer is the bottom one, and li tag and this one tag. Already you know how to form it will be applied. The form, can explain anyone how to take the form, the basic one. This is the form tag, right?
Form input.
Form. So here first we need to take label. Okay. Label means I'm going to take here the name. After that you can take input. We need text box, right? So for that input you need to take, and the type you need to specify that particular type what the label you are giving there, and that will be the text. And I'm going to ending this, and we don't have the ending tag for input, right? So we will see. So like this it will be printed the form, and I'm going to take another field, that will be the name, label, here the password, and after that in type or password type, I'm taking the type only here, so we don't have the ending tag for that. And I'm taking one button using in tag only, type will be the button. So type is what here, the type will be the attribute, right? So here Here I'm going to give break here. Here also I'm going to break. So it will break the line. We don't have the ending tag for that. So here I need to give the submit button. Submit text. Where I need to give here? Where I need to give here? Can anyone? Can anyone?
After button Jayashree.
Here you need to take the value, okay, and here you need to give button as well. So this text will be printed instead of button, okay. And I want this is as a center, so you can take here the center tag. You can give as a center here, okay. So it is very center actually. So this is the block level things. And can say anyone the using table, Madhu can explain me how to create the table here using HTML.
Yeah, Jayashree. So first we initiate the table tag,
Yeah, table tag we initiate first.
then table row,
Okay,
and then table heading,
okay. Here I'm
and
taking as a heading one. Okay,
okay,
and another I'm taking here PH that will be the heading two. Okay, here I'm taking image will be heading three. Okay, so
yeah, then we take again another table row,
another table row.
and we open table data tag
Okay,
td. We'll give some data there.
data one
Data one.
and data two and these are the data.
Yeah. Mm.
So these will be there actually. Okay, so we need a border for this, right? You can
Yeah.
give as a border actually, and also here the value. Okay, so border will be like this. Okay, is it understand everyone? How the block level tags will be printed, and we left over with the inline block level. What is the inline actually? It is not start with a new line. Okay, it is not start with the new line. It is already existing on the line that will be starting that line only, right? So here, what the tags we have in inline? We have the tags that will be span tag. What is span tag? What is span tag? Can say anyone?
It's a markup tag.
Who defined?
Me, Jayashree, Madhushree.
Okay. And it doesn't create the new line actually. Okay. And
Yeah.
what is the differences between the div tag and span tag means div will be taken the block level. Okay, so it will divided in the you can take the particular container over there. So it will be divided into the sub containers, right? And span tag will not like that. It will not create the new line. The interview question, please remember. Okay. What is a tag? What is a tag?
Anchor, anchor tag.
Yes.
Anchor tag.
Scholars we already have complete anchor tags, right?
Yeah.
Then look at that. Here, see, here I'm taking a span. Okay. So I'm applying here one class name that will be the highlighted. I can highlight. So here I'm taking highlight. So here I'm writing word in a sentence. So I will take class name into style tag where I need to apply the style tag outside of the body in the header session. Directly I'm taking style tag here, style, and after that you can take what is the class name you applied here, the highlight one. So same class name you need to click and apply the CSS here. So the class will be indicated as a dot here, enter, color, red I'm taking here. Okay, the name and color I'm taking here, font weight. Also I'm applying this statically, font weight, a bold I'm taking here. Okay, so we will see how it will be applied. So see here, the middle of the text will be highlighted with a bold. Bold will not apply it. Okay. Bold. Okay. So the here middle of the text some highlighted, right? So like that, the span will be not create the new line. Already existing line it is using actually. Okay. So after that, what the tags we left over with, and we left over with anchor tag. What is anchor tag? The anchor tag means it will take the link of the tag, right? So see here you can directly see in the p tag see okay, I'm applying here anchor. Okay, anchor tag I'm taking here. Okay, so I'm not okay. So wait a second, not like this. A href href. So I'm applying. So href, here I need to give the link. There I'm taking one link. That link will be the particular image I will give. So like this, you need to give one. Here you can apply. So like this, the anchor tag will be there. Just I'm giving here the text. Here it will refreshing the here and it is moving to the third particular link what I have given there. Okay. After that, so here image already you know how to give. So here image src you need to give image one, one. Here just a second. Source is an attribute and image is the what you downloaded previously, that one I have taken here, so that's why I'm using this name. And here the alt message we need to give, and here the description the message I'm giving here. Okay, that's description image. So you can take and go to your browser and refresh this one. So the image will be like this, and you have already fetched that. And after that you need to take what the tag we left over, and we left over with b tag. What is b tag? That is the bold. Already you know how to apply this also. In the tag I'm going to apply BCA, and this is the bold tag. So the tag will be displaying the thickness of the text. Okay, after that you can take strong. No, what we have? I think I tag, right? What is I tag and what is this all the tags? Already we have completed this input tag in the form session already. And here, what is this I tag means that it will be the italic tag. So the text will be some curve, right? So here we see here italic tag, italic tag. So the text will be some curveness, it will be printed over here, right? Okay. So the same thing here, same thing here also, emphasize tag. So what is the alternate tag for I means that will be the emphasized tag. That will be included in the EM, emphasized size tag. So here the emphasized tag will be the same as a italic tag, right? And what the leftover with uh, already you know this already we have used this input tag and italic tag. So here I need to apply the some CSS over this tags. So already we have applied the class name, right? What is that? That is a block. Block I'm taking here as a class name. Here dot block background color will be the aqua, and here padding 5 pixels. Okay. Browser and here. So it is applied, right? For both. Why here both is applied? Already I have taken for this same class as a same class for both. So that's why it is applied for a both. So class name will use at anywhere, right? So I'm using for inline. Did it inline here? For inline, the tag, uh, this is and here's and I'm going to apply. Class name I will take here. The class name inline inline span inside parent. Tag here anchor tag. Okay. Already we have href. Okay. Here I'm using I'm taking okay anchor tag. And after that for more details. Class name background color type padding. Okay.